Welcome. Let's slow down and tune into your heart. Your Muse headband will respond to your heart rate and rhythm during your meditation practice. Why is your heart an important part of your meditation practice? Your heart can tell you a lot about how you are doing physically and emotionally. Listening to your heart's activity can build awareness of how your emotional and physical state affects your heart's rhythm and your meditation practice. Experiencing emotional or physical stress can cause your heart rate to increase and to change its rhythmic patterns. Meditation can help your body relax by slowing down your heart's rate and rhythm. During the session, you will hear different sounds based on your heart's activity. When your heart rate increases, the sounds you hear will become louder and faster, like this. As your heart rate decreases, the sounds you hear will become quieter and slower, like this. At the end of each session, you will see a graph of your heart rate data in the Muse app that can help you gain a deeper understanding of your practice. Now let's get started.